Hey guys, once again, you all are most welcome on my channel that is Success Path. Hope all is well, right? Great. In the today's class, I'm dealing very interesting topic on some parents' demand. That is, after completion of 12th from science background, what their child have to do. Either they have to move them in BTech sector or BSc sector. Firstly, I'm discussing about BTech sector. Today, there are multiple engineering colleges providing degree of BTech at the rate minimum 5 lakh for 4 years. And also, some private colleges charge up to rupees 2 lakh per year, and the outcome is your child will be in some IT, MNC and earning rupees 4 lakh per year on paper. But that job is varying from child to child because some student get the job of rupees 10,000 per month. So, my advice is that ask your child to pursue BSc or B.Ed from any best college and do some computer courses along with. Now, some parents or maybe student can be asked what are the advantages of BSc over engineering. For them, the answer is although there are a lot of advantages, but now I'm discussing a few of them. Firstly, less money in terms of fees. Second, can study for competitive exams easily. Third, less pressure on them. Fourth, a variety of options available for them for the future growth. These are some advantages. Now, after the completion of the BSc degree, there are various options available for the science student. They can go for the master degree in any one particular subject in science. That is, they can go for MSc, go in a research area, and can even look for professional job oriented courses. In some colleges, the students are recruited directly by the big organization at a very good salary package. BSc graduate student can also join non-science master degree courses apart from the research job. Student can also work or get job in marketing, business and other technical fields. Science graduate also recruited in the bank sector to work as customer service executives. Students can also find employment in the government sector. Also, science graduates have the eligibility to qualify the paper of UPSC and can become an IAS officer, which will be a very proud moment for them. There is no doubt. So, science students have a number of options after completion of their graduation, like they can become teachers, lecturer, chemist, researcher, manager in a bank or IAS officer. Also, they can opt the field of scientist and technical writers like editors. The job opportunities available for the science student are not only great in terms of salary package but also a satisfying job experience. I hope from the today's class now you guys are able to get a lot of knowledge regarding the opportunities for the BSc or the science student. It's time to say bye-bye to all. Till then, take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you.